Hello.
Say to me, wait. I'm from Greece. How are you? I want everybody come to my place.
Well, at least the Greeks are nice. How do? You alright? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to Crete. Now in this video I'm going to show you Hersonissos, which is quite a lively town just down from Malia. As you can see, we're on the harbour here. We're in the port area of Hersonissos. You can see the bars and the restaurants over the other side. So we're going to take a walk around the harbour, take you down the main strip and show you what this beautiful country has to offer. So come on, if you want to come with me, let's go. So like I said, we're going to start at the harbour here. All these lovely boats docked up, and there is one up here that's absolutely beautiful. I'll show it you as we go past. As you can see, the other side of the harbour there, we've got all the back of the bars and restaurants, and we did actually walk that way to start the video here, and quite a few of them have actually, the restaurants have actually overlooking the sea. It really is, it's very nice, it really is nice. Look at that fishing vessel. Anybody knows what that says? Well, that yacht I'm going to show you, and I can't show you because selfishly, they've sailed off. Oh, how selfish is that? So you can see you get your, you actually book fishing trips here every day from that point. And you've got the Black Rose pirate ship, which I would imagine that they do trips. There's actually two of those pirate ships, and one of them's actually just sailed out. So there must be an evening cruise as well. So as you can see, just the other side of the headland to the port is the beach area in here in Hersonissos. But no beach for us today. We're going to go down the bars and restaurants. It is actually 6:20 in an evening here, so people will just be coming out. Not as lively as Malia, but that'll be coming in another video. So don't forget to like and subscribe, not to miss it. So this is where the strip of bars and restaurants start, at the Cabana Club. So like I said, you've got all these bars on the front that overlook the sea. Lovely seating areas. And you get run over by bikes. I like this traditional Greek thing with all the flowers out. It's nice. El Camino. Oh, that breeze is nice. It's red hot here. We've got plenty of Irish bars here. Mike's pub coming up. Music playing. Big beer, €4. And we have the famous tat.
Hello, lovely family.
Hi.
Yes, William. Now for night dinner.
No thank you. Too early. Lucy, we're a nice family. How does he know us? Yes, we get a little quiet bit here and views out over the ocean. How nice is that? And we'll carry on down the strip. We've got Murphy's Bar, currently closed. That for a name. Alcatraz Pub. Oh wow, yeah.
Hello.
Very nice. I wonder if Alcatraz Pub has lock-ins. Ah, see what I did there? Did you get that, Lucy, with lock-ins? You didn't get it, did you? Alcatraz used to be a prison. She don't get my jokes. Another Irish pub. I think we need a drink. Don't you? Should we have a drink? Right. Hiya. Yeah, we're gonna have a drink. It's too hot. Yeah, thank you. In we go. It's not a bad view, is it, for a pint? Look how sweaty I am. And that ain't from work. Ooh, it is warm here. Oh, I'm ready for this. Yamas. That's it, the spot. Oh, do you know what? I can't tell you how nice it is sat in shade next to the sea. And you get a breeze every now and again. Because it's been mid to late 30s today. Too hot. Definitely too hot to film. You was going to get a day film from here, but we bailed out. And we laid right pool instead. Didn't we, Luce? Yeah. Because Lucy gets what Lucy wants. So what do you think? We need to eat and we're going to go for a traditional Greek restaurant somewhere here. Do we have another beer or do we go for food? I think Lucy wants food, but she's drinking that pina colada really slowly, so I think another beer's in order. I'm not out of order here, am I, guys? Garçon? I did it. So €4.50 a pint. €9 for a cocktail. So technically I've had two, Lucy's had one, so that's the same. So it works, doesn't it? Right, let's carry on walking. Some nice hats there. Oh, look at them. Whoa. More tat shops. So we're sticking to the front. And we're looking for a traditional Greek restaurant. So let's see if we can find one. So if you do come here, there's a plethora of restaurants. one after the other. Here we've got Delhi's casual restaurant. Bit of an arcade there. And we're going down to a beach area now. Let's have a look at this beach. Yeah, so it seems to have quietened down a little bit now. It's not as bustly in this part of Hersonissos. We'll keep walking and see if it livens up a bit more. Seems to be a lot more up there. So Mexican restaurant there. Another restaurant by the sea. And we keep going. You're not telling me that we can't find a Greek restaurant in Greece? Oh, Greek cuisine. It's not exactly Greek though, is it? Oh yes, a sushi. I wonder what that tastes like. Greek sushi. Is it the same as normal sushi? Let me know in the comments. So we've got some rock pools here if you want to go crabbing, fishing. And it's starting to get a little bit quiet now. Yeah, so that's basically the end of the seafront bit of Hersonissos. We're now just going to walk up to the main road and see what's up there. So come on, let's go and have a look. Get these traditional Grecian roads. They just don't care. So yeah, we're up on the main road now. As you can see, it's a lot busier. Oh, watch that leaf. A lot more commercial. A lot of shops and supermarkets. And a lot of noisy roads. But we'll have a walk down, see what it's got. I think that's the white shop.
Yeah.
Yeah, do you know what? We've just passed a couple of lovely looking restaurants, but would you really want to sit on this busy road and have your meal? Nah. Back down up front. Yep, if you love shops, this is the place to be. But it ain't nice. Oh, look at these ice creams here. Oh, look at that one. Yum yum. Look at that, the beer house. I wonder what beers they've got in there. In Greek's answer to Poundland.
Yeah.
Hello.
Say to me, wait. I'm from Greece. How are you? I want everybody come to my place because the best place in the world. Nice food, nice drink, nice music. That's it. Where are you from?
We're from
Wales.
no, Yorkshire.
Yorkshire. Oh my gosh.
Can you not tell with his accent?
Oh my gosh.
We're Yorkshire.
Yeah. Are you for something in drink?
We're just going to get something to eat and then we'll come back this way. Promise.
You don't like my place to eat? Yeah, I have nice food.
No, we've seen somewhere we need to go. I'll take it.
See you later.
Look,
See you later.
I'll put it on here, look.
Thank you.
Lovely bar. Well, at least the Greeks are nice. Yeah, good at that bar. It actually looks quite nice actually in there. I wouldn't eat in there, but if you want a pint, get your send in. It's called Treff. Here you go. Well, we've done it, viewers. Let me get under this tree. We've come to Hersonissos. And you know what I always say? We like a good church on this channel, don't we? And look at this. I've found one. Look at that, beautiful. See, everywhere I go, I find a church. Well, I won't let you down. And here we've got the Greeks' version of a takeaway. Look at that. That's different. Right, we are now going to make our way back down to the front and we are now going to find somewhere to eat because we're starving. So we've had a change of plan. We've got the bus back to our hotel and we're going to go to a restaurant that's just round the corner because we couldn't actually find a typical Greek restaurant, which is strange. So yeah, we're going to go to that one now. So this is the Greek restaurant that's just at the side of our hotel. So yeah, when the food comes, I'll let you see it and see what it's like. Now that one is a cold one. Well deserved, I think. So, as meals come, I've got a moussaka. Lucy's got an open gyros and we've got a Greek salad to share, so I'll show you the food. Right, I'm going to eat this now. See you in a minute. Hello, pussy pussy. Hello. That was absolutely fantastic. So, two souvlaki here in Stalis, 10 out of 10. Beautiful. So, that was very nice. So, we're off back to our apartment now. So, thank you so much for coming with us. I hope you liked our trip round Hersonissos. And we'll see you again in the next one. Goodbye.